Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. Hello, this is Saffron and welcome to Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. I will be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for October 2021. This bag is like, I think it's starting out to be $28 a month now. It used to be $25 a month, which ends up being like $30 after tax for me. And I have some add-ons. I think I have like 2 or 3 add-ons, and they were like $3 each, I think. And I believe this bag for this month for me is gonna be about a $500 value that I just paid $30 for. Well, about $40 after I paid for my add-ons. That's a pretty good deal. And I just want to make a few announcements. I've decided to no longer do singing competitions. I was in one, but I've decided not to go any further. They've just been a very negative experience for me, and I'm just trying to end that chapter of my life. And I think I deserve a gift for doing that. And I just want to announce as well, I think not next month, maybe December, I'm going to do an advent calendar. I ordered an advent calendar, a beauty one. I'm not going to reveal what kind of brand it is, but I thought I would do a series of where I open it day per day. I don't know, I thought it'd be a fun thing to do. Usually people on YouTube I watch, they usually they do it all in one day, or one, video, but I thought do it one at a time, as you're supposed to do for those kind of things. I thought it'd be fun to do little mini video, reveal videos for it. But I think I'll just start that in December and do it from December 1st to the 24th. So I thought that'd be a fun thing to do. Well, let's go ahead and dive into the bag. The first thing I got is a Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. Let's see if I can get that in there. Let's see. Let me dim my screen a little bit. Oh man. A second, I'm probably going to turn off my light. Hang on. So I turn off my other light. Let's see here. Here's a Dewy Skin Cream. You can see it a little bit better. And that's my first item that I got. It was an add-on. Let's see. I don't think it'd tell about the value on the website. True to its name, this luxurious cream contains ceramides, algae extract, and purple rice extract to majorly up your skin's dew factor. It's ideal for dry, dull skin in need of extra moisturizing love. And you just use a little amount from the jar and use daily. It's a little sample size. I believe they're very expensive too. That's the first item. Second item is light. I turn off my screen again. Turn off my light again. It's called About Face. Gets rid of the cool effect. I'm sorry. No, we're back to spooky a little bit. Open this up. Let me see all the info about this product. Value is $20. Full size, of course. An icy mauve gloss made of nourishing oils like peppermint, lavender, and coconut, which means they'll leave your lips soft and shiny, never sticky. That's what it looks like. Turn off the light again. That's what it looks like. That's pretty. The little packaging wool. That's pretty. There's a color. Turn the light off again so you can see something. It's kind of pretty, isn't it? Try it on. Turn the light on. Change the lighting. No. I like it. Very nice everyday lip gloss. I can't see it really good. It's nice. It's $20. That's not bad. It has a little shimmer to it. See it? A little bit of shimmer. And the shade is Light Lock. Okay, let's get to our next item. The next item up for grabs is, I believe, a perfume. Let's see what this is. Let me go to the product info right quick. French Kisses. Tokyo Milk Perfume. It's pretty cute. Turn this light off. See, it has a little Eiffel Tower in it. Isn't that cute? It's called French Kiss. Let me see. Okay. The value is $38. Notes of juicy mandarin, floral tuberose, and gardenia are an earthy vivitor come together to create a scent that's equal parts fresh, romantic, and feminine. Let's see how good it smells. I'm very picky about perfumes. If it smells too alcohol smelling, I don't really like it, but we'll see. Ugh, I don't want that scent. I don't like it. I might give it to a friend, but it's very cute packaging. I just, it's too much of a strong smell for me. It smells kind of musky. I don't like it. I'll give it to a friend. But that one was $38. If you like a musky kind of scent, I think you would like that, but I didn't really like it. I don't know. I like Bath and Body Works kind of scents, like fruity, and I don't know. That's my favorite body mist or scents because they don't smell so like artificial smelling or musky. Well, some of them are musky, but I love the scents of, like, I got a pecan, some kind of pumpkin pecan thingy scent from Bath and Body Works. Oh my god, it tastes like, it smells like it too. Like, it smells so good. I think it's pumpkin pecan pancakes, what the scent is. But oh my gosh, it smells like food. I love it. That scent smells too old lady kind of scent to me. Maybe somebody else will like it. Well, here's the bag. Ain't it very cute? I love Halloween. It's just a fun time of the year, ain't it? Look how full this bag is. That's a lot of stuff. Let's see what we've got. Pistachio skincare, pistachio oil, hand cream. I'm not going to open it. I always love hand cream. That's why I buy it. Or like if I see little add-ons on Ipsy, I'll buy them because I always use them. My hands always get so dry. One Skin, Harley St. London. This is a good brand. Turn off that light. See the front of it. And let me see this value. I believe it's like a $300 value. Let's see. I've gotten I think in June I got like a skin booster thing, and it was very nice. Or like it was a rose gold skin serum thingy, and it was very nice. I think it retailed for $100. Here's a little skin cream right here, and I believe this is $280. This is better. Some moisturizer. Boy, does this baby have benefits. This super rich concentrated cream nourishes skin while helping it recover from environmental aggressors. It's packed with something and hyaluronic acid to lock in hydration and plump up skin, with some kind of technology that helps promote the production of collagen and elastin. Massage pea-sized amount into skin after your serum. It's nocturnal eclipse, so it sounds like the night cream. That's what it looks like. Kind of eager to open it up. There's the cream. Let's see. There's the cream. I want to get a feel of it. Ooh, it feels very nice too. It blends in very good. Or rubs in very good. That's very nice. I guess you use it for night, because it says nocturnal, I guess. That's pretty good. Or pretty nice. $300. I would not pay $300 for this. I mean, it's nice, but I don't know. I'll have to try it. Maybe it'll make me look younger than a kid. I just can't. I have people tell me I look I'm 23 and I'm actually like 34. They think I'm 23, but I'm actually 34. They're like, what? Well, next item is an eye primer. I think this was an add-on. I don't think I'll open it. Well, you turn my light back on to give it a cool effect. Let's see. I don't know. It's going to take me a million years to open it, but I got a little eye primer, and I'll try it out and see how good it is. I don't think it'll give me a value on it. Usually your add-ons, they don't really give a value for them. Wish they did. Let's see how good it is. I just bought it because, you can always use it. $8. Well, about paid a little less than half of what. Well, pretty good deal. Okay, next item. Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. See what the price of it is. I think this is one they chose for me, and the skin cream is what they. No, I chose the skin cream. They chose this sleep serum for me. This is a $42 value, and it's a little serum. And I guess you put it on before you go to bed and everything. Its face and neck serum uses a blend of firming amino acids, exfoliating acids, and antioxidant-rich vitamin C to dramatically help smooth skin while you sleep. So you just add a few drops after you clean your face and neck, and apply it, before bed, and follow up with moisturizer. I guess you use that little one on skin. Well, let's see what else we got. There's a little hand cream. Another one. It's a Salat Lin Cinnamon Orange, Canada Orange hand cream made in France. is. And I got one more item. Renewing Eye Cream from Murad. Murad's a pretty good brand. I've been getting it a lot in my Ipsy bags. Last month I think I got a skin moisturizer that was like a gel. This one's kind of similar to my my moisturizer I got. Kind of the same pump style. You just pump it out and put it on your put it on your little finger right here and put it under your eyes. See what the price of it is. This was chosen for me. Righty, $82. It's eye cream, hydrating eye cream that helps brighten and minimize fine lines and reduce puffiness in one step. Made with a mix of peptides and retinol, helps boost collagen production, makes the delicate skin around your eyes feel more supple and soft. And you apply it to your under eye area from inner corner to outer corner. Just little drops. And I believe that's all for my bag. They give you a little card and gives you little beauty tips. That's the little card you get. Pretty wicked. At least it kind of gives you something useful, I guess. This is mostly trash to me because I mean, it don't tell you the products or anything. You have to go to the website. But that pretty much sums up my bag for this month. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope what do you think of it? You think it's a pretty good deal for $500? I think it is. I mean, it's a lot of stuff, and I think you get your money's worth with it. I enjoy it every month, and I've been kind of feeling, I don't know, this month's been kind of something else to me, and it's just nice to get a good gift every month that makes you feel happy. Well, thank you for watching. Please follow me on social media, and y'all have a great day. Bye.